What's doing? Welcome to another episode. This week we have our first G-Works canopy. It's on a 79 series. It's gonna look cool. Let's go check it out.
Getting it off.
You getting it off, MacGyver?
We're getting it off.
I'll insert a MacGyver picture here so you can see the difference. We'll do a frontal there.
No, I'm better looking.
He's ready to get it off.
Alrighty.
Is everything disconnected?
Yeah.
Yeah. Up and away. He's all clear. So it's all clear, and now we can basically drive the car out, and we can put the tray on a trailer or on skid or something, and you can take it away. So we'll tidy that up, and we'll get stuck into the things we have to do, eh?
First one.
First one. Woo! So this one isn't going to be how-to. This is going to show you how we go through the process of what we do. Also, yeah, just showing you what we've done, how we've done it, and how it looks through the process. So if you're looking for something on how-to, this isn't going to be it, but at least you'll get to see the process of how it goes through. 79 series has arrived. Well, the car's over there, but the canopy has arrived. We're doing that big unveil. Ooh, wow. Look at that. She's red, colour matched. It does look pretty. Dual Jerry's, wheel carrier, trundle drawer, water tank, roof racks. We've got rooftop tent, solar panel, all sorts of things. So we'll go through it. So we'll get it on the hoist and we'll get it leveled out, and I'll show you what we're doing. So here's our said rooftop tent. We need to get it up on there, but we're just waiting on some bracketry to come for it. So we're going to mount the canopy to the car. So Alex is reversing that in now, and then we'll just lift the rooftop tent up on top once it's done. We've made all the holes where it needs to go. We're playing for clamps. So if he's going to back this in here now, I might have to guide him. He's struggling. He's looking. I better guide him in so we can get it down, and we'll show you how we drop it down. Alright, so he's reversed it in. I've lined it up for him. Did it all for him pretty much. And he's just there trying to look pretty now. So it's all lined up. He's going to drop a bolt in that front pin, and then we can skadoosh the canopy around where it needs to go and line up all the other holes while still being protected by the hoist arms to not fall off. But that's it on. So we'll colour code to the car, and then the rooftop tent's going to go on top with the solar, and there's going to be an awning as well. This should look pretty cool once she's all done. Alex has now got the canopy sort of semi-bolted on, and we've rolled it back so I can show you inside. So we have Bushman's upright fridge. We have pull-out drawer. Have the, I can't use the two hands to open up, but that's the shelf. Have a slide-out pantry, same thing. Oh, I can get this one. So we've got slide-out pantry. And then the other side we've got drawers. And we have the Explorer package. You can have all lights on. And they're controllable from up here as well, the switch up here as well, but you can control it here. USBs and powers and everything, and this tells you how much power we got left. Awesome little package for inside and camping and getting away. So we'll continue on assembling and putting things together. We've got double drawers this side. I'll take his head out when I open it, but double drawers this side for more tools and odds and ends. And also a top mounted shelf. I don't know if I showed you this on the last one we did, but there's a top mounted shelf in here as well. You can see with the lighting. But yeah, the top mounted shelf is cool. What are you doing?
Just lining everything up.
Lining everything up.
Tight and neat.
Yeah. You MacGyvered some stuff up here.
MacGyvered?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got
Better line it back up again.
Better assume that position. So we have mudguards going on. Toolboxes are colour coded and on. Nice little G-Works mud flap. So the guards can be moved in and out as well. I don't know if he's done this side yet. Looks like he has. Yeah, it's all secured. So this guard here, you're always trying to keep it nice and flush. But if you've got a big offset, these can actually come out. So we can adjust those where they need to be. Toolboxes are on. Don't know if he's run the cable yet. He hasn't run the cable yet to secure it, but that's all on. Big deep boxes. Good to go. So it's getting there slowly, piecing it together. A few more little things. We'll do some wiring for the tail lights. We're going to run wire for, I think he has already actually. Have you run the wire for the water pump yet?
Yeah, that's
Yep.
plugged in.
Yep, done. And you've done central locking in the Anderson?
I haven't hooked it up. I haven't done the Deutsch plug yet.
Okay, yep, there we go. So we've got Anderson here and a Deutsch, that's central locking, and that's Anderson to run to the battery. So yeah, she's all happening, and that's the Anderson there to go up to the top of the solar. That's not supposed to be there, it's supposed to go up on top here. So the solar panel can be on the roof, but she's getting there. A couple of little bits and pieces. The parts pile's getting smaller. Good to go. So now we're up to the next part. So now we're going to fit the rooftop tent. Well, it's already done. So he's already loaded up. Rooftop tent's on. He's also done a central locking, and I might get him to press a button later, but in here is a little light and it flashes red and green. So green for unlock and red for lock. Rooftop tent's going on. There's going to be a solar panel going on top as well. We're just waiting for the mounting brackets. This was supplied by the customer, so we're just fitting his supplied parts now. So we're just waiting on actual little brackets and things, but otherwise she's on and done. All color coded, looking cool. But I don't know what else is left on this, but if there's nothing else to do, I'll probably just do some B-roll so you can see what it looks like. I've showed you inside. I don't know if I did. Did I show you inside? Yeah, I did. I did show you inside. The next thing we'll do is we'll fill up the water tank with water so we can test the hose, make sure that all works. The lights work inside the canopy. There's 3 spare switches there for the customer to do whatever they want with on switches, as well as charging points and all that sort of stuff as well. So yeah, we're getting closer. It's almost done, and we'll get out the front for some beauty shots. Okay, it's here. It's out the front. The boys are going to give it a proper detail, but before they do that, I thought I'd just do a quick walk around. So if I do put any fingerprints on it, they're not mine. They'll be afterwards because they'll be all nice and clean. This thing looks cool. We've got the slot on the awning on the side as well now. Just waiting on the mounting points of the solar, but the customer will do that himself. Everything else is done and ready to go. Here it is. So that's canopy on, everything's done. Customer's gonna pick it up shortly and he's heading off on a holiday somewhere. But yeah, we can now do G-Works canopies on site. They get them shipped up from Port Macquarie and we mount them all here. We do all the accessories as well, so all the mount-ons. So rooftop tent, the awning, solar panel, anything else you want to fit out inside, we can do all those things as well. So give us a call or have a chat with G-Works. They'll be able to quote you up, including install, freight and everything. And if you want colour coding, if you don't want colour coding, if you want the accessories in the back, you can have different ones, it's layouts, whatever you want to have. While it's at the front, actually, we should probably show you inside so you can see some proper lighting. Yeah, outside, so you can see the shelf now. So roof mount shelf up in here. He's got a speaker he's going to mount himself. We have double drawers, pull all the way out, and then there's lock tabs which I'm going to have to use 2 hands to put back in. So that's your drawer system, and we can go around the other side, and I can show you all the EnerDrive gear and drawer and fridge. All right, so you've already seen the inside on this side, but again, I'll just go through it so I can show you everything in daylight so you can see it all out in the sun. But there it all is, the EnerDrive's all running. You can see it's at 88% charge, it's charging off the battery of the car. She's charging there now. We have our light button, and we have all the other buttons you can accessorize with whatever you want to do. She's all in. We're good to go. All right, so that's the 79 series all done. We can do all different makes and models, so your F-Trucks, your Chevys, your BTs, your D-Maxes, your Hiluxes, your Tritons, your Rangers, and all those things in between. I'll drop a link down below for G-Works. Make sure you head over to them. They have a shopping list there. You can go and tick to your heart's content what you'd like to get. We can fit them all here where they're empty like this one. This is our next one. This is the D-Max one. This is empty, so if you want just an empty tray or an empty canopy and tray, they can do that, or we can go full noise with all the EnerDrive gear as well. So head over to their page. Like I said, I'll drop a link down below in the description. You can go through, get a shopping list, get a price, and we can fit it all here. And then while you're here, we can do a tune, lift kit, all those things as well. So you can do it all in a one-stop shop. So that's it from us. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. But here's some B-Drop.